Moving on, a group of cyclists drawn from Uganda, Rwanda, Kenya, Tanzania, Burundi, Ethiopia and South Sudan under the leadership of John Barongo began their long journey on 1st of August aimed at creating awareness around the East African community integration process by sensitizing communities residents along the bike tour as they interact with them. The team arrived at the Kenyan border yesterday at Lunga Lunga, where they spent the night and they began their journey to Mombasa County, where they paid a courtesy call to the governor of Mombasa. The cyclists will proceed to Kilifi County, where they will pay a courtesy call to Kilifi Governor Amason Kingi and later proceed to Malindi, where they will be received by the Kenya High Commissioner to Tanzania, Dan Kazungu, who will host them for a dinner on Saturday.
And we are flagged off by the Minister of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Tanzania. Today is our 5th day. We started on 1st. We've been sleeping every after 100 kilometers. We've done quite a number of activities right from when we started. We had the flag off. We had interaction with the women's club. We've planted trees. We have donated. We've done charity. We have launched tourism clubs along the way.
Jinsi tulivyokuwa tunatembea na baiskeli, tunajaribu kuelimisha wenzetu kuhusu usafi, kutengeneza mazingira, kupanda miti na njia zozote zile ili tutengeneze maisha ya watoto wetu wa kesho.
We're happy to be part of this big event, the East African Cycling Safari, and we are providing the security for this whole event. We started all the way from Dar es Salaam, our team from Dar es Salaam. We handed over to us here in Lunga Lunga. We are going up to Mtitwandei. We are going to hand over to our team from Nairobi.
This is a great event for marketing of our the tourist destination in all these 5 East African countries. So kudos to you all cyclists who have joined up in this cycling journey. And we wish that more can join up from other countries to make this event a great event.
All right, now back to that story about the death of 2 brothers in Embu. Now, Inspector General Police